Carving stamps can be moved, rotated, scaled, reshaped, and deleted individually. After a stamp has been raised, sometimes editing the stamp will change the length of the floats so the stamp will work on the object. Select the stamped object and click on Reshape. A diamond selection handle is at the center of each stamp. Select the diamond of the object you wish to edit. Another set of symbols appear around the stamp. Let's resize this stamp. To resize proportionally, hold the Control key as you click and drag a corner handle. As you can see, the long floats disappeared after we resized this stamp. If I want to resize from center out, I'll hold the Shift key in addition to the Control key and can resize the stamp from the center. Let's move this second stamp. Again, click on the diamond control point, click and hold on the center, and move this stamp where you want it located. If I hold the Control key as I move the stamp, it will keep the stamp on plane. Let's move and resize this stamp. First, select the diamond, and then move the stamp into the position. If I want to change the height of this stamp, I can click on the upper control point and drag the stamp upward. This will resize the stamp, keeping the base at its current location. Let's try rotating this object to see if we can get the long floats to disappear. The rotate control point is this circle, and if I click and drag on the circle, it will rotate the stamp, and as you can see, the long floats disappeared. I'm going to zoom in on this, and you can also reshape by clicking on the edge of the shape. Control points are shown that were used to digitize this shape. I can right-click to add a curve point and then move that control point. I can also select a point and delete the point. If I left-click, it will add a sharp point, and then I can move that control point. I can also move each of these control points, and I can delete this one. So I can really reshape the stamp to be just like I want it. So you can start out with one of the built-in stamps and then change the shape of it to be the kind of stamp that you want. Remember that you can add, delete, change, or move reshape points. For this other diamond shape, we're going to delete it. So first I select it, and then I press delete on my keyboard. So I can delete any of the stamps individually without having to start over and add the stamps. Remember that you can also change the angle of the stitches of the object itself by clicking and dragging on the peach corner and trying a new angle. As you can see, this was not successful because we have our long floats back. I'm going to undo that, and I now have my edited stamped object.